Worried that you might have a CCJ but don't know how to find out for sure? The good news is that there are a few ways to find out, and you might even be able to do so for free. A county court judgment, or CCJ, is issued against you by a creditor as a last resort when they've exhausted all other means of getting you to pay your debt. A CCJ remains on your credit report for 6 years and will affect your credit score very negatively, making it difficult to get credit. One of the ways to find out if you have a CCJ is to check your credit report. Your credit report shows information about your credit history, including any CCJs issued against you. You can get a copy of your credit report from reputable credit reference agencies such as Experian or ClearScore. You may even be able to use a free trial option to get your credit report without paying. Another way to check if you have a CCJ is to search the CCJ register online. The CCJ register is a public register containing details of all county court judgments issued against individuals or businesses in England, Wales and Northern Ireland. You can search the CCJ register by visiting the Registry Trust website. However, the process is not as simple as checking your credit score. You need to enter your name, address and other personal information. It's also essential to note that the CCJ register does not include records of lenders or claimants. Additionally, there may be a small fee to pay to use their service. If you find that you have a CCJ on your credit report, you can contact the court where the judgment was issued to obtain some more information. This is important because you need to know who you owe the money to and how much you owe. The details of the CCJ will appear on your credit report, such as the court that issued it. You can then contact that specific court to ask to whom you owe the money. You will have to pay a small fee to make this request, but it is likely to be well worth it to get the information that you need. It's essential to note that when a CCJ is issued, it's added to the public register known as the Register of Judgments, Orders and Fines. This means that anyone can see that you have a CCJ against your name, and any other details may be public, such as your address, case number and details about the judgment, including the money that you owe. If you pay the full amount owed within a month from the date it was issued, it will not be recorded on the register. However, if you pay it back in full, but it wasn't within that 30 days of the date that the CCJ was issued, it will still appear on the register and your credit file for the next 6 years. If you're struggling with debt, then there are options available here in the UK. Some are free to use and others include fees, and each will have their own pros and cons. If you want to learn more about the solutions available, then we've created a really great form that you might be interested in checking out. Click the link in the description to get started and answer a few multiple choice questions like the total amount of your debt, how many people you owe, your living situation, and we'll connect you with one of our trusted partners so you can find out more and take steps towards improving your financial situation.